Welcome to Goldwagen's Quality Tips. Do you hear a rattling or banging sound coming from your exhaust pipe when you go over a bumpy road? There are two main things that could be the cause. Your exhaust rubber could be loose or broken, causing it to bang on the underside of the car, or your exhaust hangers might be damaged. If they are, you can get new quality hangers from Goldwagen. Any of these factors are usually caused by general wear and tear or exposure to road debris. To avoid further damage to your vehicle, get this rattling sound checked out by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Visit your nearest Goldwagen to get the best quality exhaust-related components for your vehicle.